Oh, really? Where?
Well, we wanted to go to Africa, but that's too far. So tonight we'll just camp in the backyard instead.
A very sensible choice.
Can we borrow a sheet for our tent?
Sure, but not the good sheet. Take the old one.
Thanks, Mom.
This one's got a hole in it.
Or a window.
Hello, boys.
Come on, Lily. Let's pitch our tent.
Oh, you're going camping.
They're very excited about it.
My mom gave me her oldest sheet from my tent, too. I'll never forget the first night I camped out in my backyard and how scared I got.
Do you think Huckle and Loli will be all right?
Oh, I think so. I'll show them how to make a safe campfire. That should keep any wild animals away.
I sure hope it isn't too windy tonight.
I think we just need a couple more ropes to take up the slack.
Is it still sagging, Lily?
I'm afraid so.
Huckle! Huckle, what on earth are you up to?
We're just taking up some slack.
Hey, how are our campers?
Hey, would you look at that?
Well, I wish I had. These ropes are coming down right now.
But what about our tent?
Don't worry. I'll show you how to pitch a tent. And always build your fire away from grass and trees, and surround it with stones.
Wow, Dad, you know how to do everything.
Toasted marshmallows.
Listen! What was that?
Maybe wild animals?
Maybe they want our marshmallows.
Or maybe they want us.
Hi, Huckle. Hi, Loli.
Oh, hi, Kenny. We were just pretending you were a wild animal.
Any marshmallows left?
Here you go.
Thanks.
I never could wait long enough to roast them.
Do you know any good ghost stories, Kenny?
Oh, Huckle, there's no such thing as ghosts.
I know a good one. Do you want to hear it?
Ooh, tell it.
It's called The Claw, because the ghost had this great big claw. And they say that on nights like this, you can still hear the woman crying, "Who will save me from the claw?" Scared you, huh? What makes you think that? Because you're eating your stick. Oops.
Kenny, your mom wants you to go home.
I guess I have to go. Sleep well and watch out for the claw.
Yikes! Wait, what's your hurry? Maybe it's time we turned in too.
Okay, but Dad said to make sure the fire's out. Gee, it's a lot darker without the fire, Loli. Loli?
I wonder if it gets this dark in Africa.
Well, here we are, Loli, camping out.
Yeah, it's fun, isn't it? What was that?
Maybe it's the ghost Kenny told us about.
I think that's an owl.
There it is again. It's just...
The clothesline.
Come on, we're just scaring ourselves. Let's get some sleep.
Huckle?
Loli, I have an idea. Let's get out of here! Psst. Loli, wake up.
What is it?
Shh. We want Mom and Dad to wake up. Good night again, Loli. Morning, Hacko. Morning, Loli.
My, what brave campers you are.
Weren't you scared? No. How about you, Loli?
Me? I slept like a log.
I can remember the first time I went camping. It was really scary.
Really? What scared you?
It's kind of silly, really. I was scared of a shadow. It looked like a big claw. But it was only a leaf rake.
As soon as you finished your breakfast, you better start packing for your next camping trip. Where did you say you were going? Africa?
Mom, Loli and I have been thinking about it.
And we've decided there's no finer place to camp than your own backyard.